Hi everyone, this is Paul Lange from Disciplined Trading Strategies with this week's Trade of the Week video. This is the week ending January 29th at 2023. The stock was IBM. This is based on a Tier 2 plus, meaning kind of a highly rated Tier 2, almost a Tier 1 gap entry based on a 1 minute beat the tail type of entry. Management advanced and reward to risk 2.4 to 1. Before we get started, as usual, what's for free members this week? We have the DTS special event is this week. It's going to be a technical analysis quiz. This will be a very technical session. Read the screen there. I think it's important. Pause that and take a look at what it has to say. We'll talk more about it on Wednesday at 5 o'clock Eastern Time. Daily chart for IBM. This is based on a gap. So before the market opened, we knew IBM was going to gap down and ended up opening right about there. This is considered a Tier 2 gap by me. There's a lot of things that go into the rating. There's an obvious thing here that we cleared several areas on the daily chart, enough to make this something that looks short. Also, there's a good chance you may see it pop a little bit right at the open, and that's exactly what happened. There's the bar after the close, and you can see that little topping tail there. That happened in just the opening seconds. That's what I used to get short. Here is the 60-minute chart, giving you a little better detail, and you can see a little bit better. We're going to open right there, but we cleared that area right in there. We open, little tail, and then it drops. Here you can get a little better view on the 5-minute chart, opening right there. I got short kind of coincidentally as it went to make a new low there, but that wasn't really the criteria. As that tail started to form, was coming down, I was trying to get short. That's about as fast as I could react, though, because it was dropping fairly quick. And the stock continued to drop, and this was a kind of a rare one. The reason this is the Trade of the Week video, this actually happened to be my best trade this week. I felt some of the charts during the day were a little challenging, and this was a unique one because it was a gap. One of the things I like about trading stocks, as most of you probably know, is that you get several unique opportunities. You get a variety of situations, and when the charts throughout the day are not what you want to see from day to day, sometimes you get a nice gap, and that's what IBM was. The other thing strange about it was that it happened very, very quickly. I didn't even put the time up there. I just put in a short time. This all happened in 6 minutes. I don't like to even mention that because it kind of scares people away who maybe think day trading is a little bit hyperactive. It's not that to me. It just so happened this thing had an absolute free fall for the opening 5 minutes. I just decided to take the whole thing. This is always a tough one for me, for anybody. It did end up going lower, and I could have made more money. But I call this the free money. When you drop that much that quick, you take it, you run, you say thank you, and you move on, because if it would have come back, sometimes when they drop that fast, they come back very quickly. I could have got some more out of this. I took all one target right there at 135.07. 1 minute chart gives you a little better view. Open, shorted, target one. That's all there was to this trade. Boom, 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 just like that. I don't promote trying to find quick trades like this, but sometimes that's just the way they happen. I was prepared to hold IBM all day long if it kept bleeding, but it dropped so quick, it's just the way that it worked out. If you like trades like this, come join us in the DTS Trading Room. You can go over to the DTS homepage and figure out how you can join us. Until next time, this is Paul for DTS. Good trading, everybody.